with the Aris Process Modeling Mastery. So this course is all about the how do you master into the Aris Process Modeling and using the Aris tool. So it's actually a comprehensive guide where we're conducting workshops and building a process models and delivering a value through the Aris expertise. So that we are going to learn uh, in this video. Yeah. So going to the next one. So how do you conduct a workshop? So how it would be the workshop excellence and all those things, and what are the things that we have to consider when we are conducting a workshop? So there are two to four steps that we will see. So first of all, we have to define the objectives. So when it comes to the objectives, here we have to set the clear scope and invite the right stakeholders with respective. We have to engage them, for example, process owners, subject matter expertise, and IT representatives, where we have to collaborate and get the requirement from them. So in that case, our scope should be very clear. The next thing at visualize with the Aris. So we are going to use the Aris tool to do the process mapping and all those things. So we should be very clear. So which models we are using, whether we are using the VACD model or APC models to align with everyone on a current and future states. So that should be very clear when we are carrying and conducting the interviews or the workshops. Yeah. Then we are facilitating the documents, like guiding the discussions with the focused questions. Our questions should be very focused. What we are going to ask, why, what, how it is happening within the as is and the future. That has to be very clear. Okay. And manage time. So we are not getting a plenty time, much time. We having the particular 30 minutes or 45 minutes of time. So we should, you according to our questions, we have to use the time. Okay. And we have to capture the decision directly in the areas, and we have to sometimes gather the capturing their requirement within the areas itself directly while we are conducting the interviews. So that should be there. And the next step is validate and follow up. So when we are done with the process mapping, so we have to share the summary with them and validate the process model whether we have understood the correct from what they have conveyed to us. So that should be validated with the stakeholders, and we have to track the action items, like whether it is a change is whether is there any make a change within what we have done so far with our understanding, and there what they want to convey. So it should be very clear. If they're okay with that, then we can take a sign up for it. Otherwise, we have to take a follow up and make a change on it. Yeah. So that is continuously going on until their stakeholder is satisfied with.